Most ships have a large size weighing up to thousands of tons and stretching hundreds of meters in length. Constructing such a gigantic vessel requires a substantial amount of funds, ranging from millions to even billions of dollars. However, the expenditure of such funds is justifiable considering the outcome. The result, of course, is a sturdy sea vessel equipped with advanced technology expected to have a long lifespan ranging from 10 to several decades. Not only does it require significant funding, but the shipbuilding process also demands precise accuracy and requires professional labor. Even while operating, a ship must still be navigated by experienced cruise ships in their field. Nevertheless, ship accidents cannot be completely avoided. These accidents tend to occur due to various reasons, ranging from unpredictable natural elements, rampant piracy, to human errors during construction or while operating in water territories. So far, there are 10 main reasons why ships can sink. Let's delve into them. Powerful collisions. One of the main reasons why ships can encounter accidents is collisions. There have been hundreds or possibly thousands of ship accident cases caused by tremendous collisions. Ship collisions can occur with any object, such as docks, offshore platforms, other ships, or even natural obstacles like icebergs. For instance, the sinking of the RMS Titanic on April 15, 1912 in the Atlantic Ocean is an unforgettable incident. The cruise ship collided with an iceberg, causing its hull to rupture, leading to its sinking. This incident left the wreckage of the Titanic at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean at a depth of over 3,000 meters. Adverse weather conditions. Bad weather conditions are common factors contributing to ship sinking, with almost 75% of ship accidents occurring due to adverse weather. The vastness of the ocean with its high wind speeds can generate hurricanes capable of destroying a large ship. Such bad weather conditions also lead to rough waves, causing ships to be tossed around and eventually sink. Rogue waves. Speaking of the ocean, there's a peculiar phenomenon often encountered there called rogue waves. These waves refer to abnormal waves that strike ships from the side, easily capsizing them. Rogue waves often emerge due to bad weather at sea. According to many sailors, these strange waves can reach heights equivalent to 10 to 15-story buildings. With their extraordinary size and strength, it's no wonder these waves have sunk many large ships to the ocean floor. Rogue waves have been a nightmare for sailors each year, claiming many lives. Equipment failure. There is nothing worse than equipment failure on a ship, especially in critical situations. Equipment failure occurring in busy shipping lanes, canals, or near ports can lead to ship collisions, or in the worst case scenario, the sinking of the ship. Various equipment often fails during critical processes, such as maneuvering or various machinery like main engines, generators, steering gear, propellers, and bow thrusters. All of these machines play crucial roles in propelling the ship. Therefore, if one machine fails, it can cause chaos in ship operation. Negligence by ship crew. All crew members working on a ship are responsible for its operation. Hence, disciplined, responsible, experienced, and most importantly, professional crews are required. Inefficient or careless ship crews can become a burden and increase the risk of accidents. This can happen because many professional crews fail to provide adequate training and attention to their ship crew. Some crews fail to properly check the ship's engine performance and neglect to maintain environmental and safety standards while aboard the ship. There are even crews who disregard weather forecasts, warnings, and other important signals. Cases of negligence by ship crews have led to several ships sinking in the ocean. Improper maintenance. Another reason why ships may sink is improper maintenance. It's important to note that these ships can operate for months in the middle of the ocean, only returning to port once or twice a month to replenish supplies and refuel. Extended periods at sea lead to corrosion and metal fatigue in ships, causing them to bend and damage. Therefore, ships require proper and regular maintenance of components prone to wear and tear. Without routine maintenance, accidents are highly likely to occur. Loss of stability. All floating objects have a metacentric height known as the rolling period. This refers to the time it takes for an oscillating object to return to its original stable position. Ships remain relatively stable as long as their quantity remains positive. If it becomes negative, the ship can easily overturn with the slightest force, facilitating rapid sinking. Piracy. When we hear the term pirates, we often think of a group of raiders who hijack other ships and are portrayed as adventurers scouring the seas for treasure. However, piracy is not just a tale of a character in a movie. In the real world, the presence of pirates continues to be a threat to sailors to this day. Modern pirates now use advanced technology and are armed with various weapons such as missile launchers, torpedoes, and other facilities. It's not uncommon for these pirates to sink the ships they've plundered. Therefore, some Navy patrols the area around hazardous zones to combat piracy-related activities. During World War I and II, many ship sinkings were caused by enemy attacks. Various methods were employed to sink these ships, ranging from torpedo shots, underwater mines, explosive charges, artillery fire, and many more. Certainly, ship sinkings during wartime incidents have claimed both lives and resulted in numerous shipwrecks at the ocean floor. To address this, ships, especially warships, are now equipped with anti-torpedo protection such as the ship's hull keel. This helps minimize the risk of explosions that could sink the ship to the ocean floor. Flooding. The last and foremost reason why ships can sink in the ocean floor is flooding. Any ship that is about to sink will undoubtedly experience flooding first. Some causes of ship flooding include hull damage, valve failures, damage due to grounding, pipe ruptures, and many more. When water enters the ship through the hull or upper part of the ship, it creates an imbalance. Eventually, the weight of the ship becomes greater than the weight of the water displaced. Consequently, the ship continuously takes on water until it sinks entirely.